Alright, family and stuff, this movie is going to be really iffy if I can get through it. So, at any rate, this is number 361, and it's all painted with the Rio Grande flying logo, which is requested. And there it is. So, I'm going to come over here and I'm going to hook up my NC cabin power to this. Very nice. Okay, let's turn on the bell and the lights. Turn the bell off. And using my NCE power cab. Put it in reverse. Turn on the power, which takes a long time. Change directions. Go down here and change directions again. Let it slow down. Oops. I touched the wires to everything. I'll probably have to turn the lights on again. So at any rate, this is it running, and I think it does a really good job. Let's see, reverse. I gotta go forward. I think I ran it off the track. Yeah, I ran it off the track. Okay, well at any rate, this is a good place to stop, so we're gonna stop here. That's a demo for you, Kevin, and show you that this little sucker runs, and it runs nice. I will now look at number 9 for you. See you, bye.